To make this grilled tilapia fish, our main ingredient is tilapia fish. So this is cleaned tilapia fish, and I'll take you back to how I cleaned it. Wash it several times in warm water, then use your kitchen scissors to just take out the gills and the fins. I just wanted to render this fish finless and gillless, so I just went ahead to cut out all those excesses in the fish. We don't want them. So after cleaning the fish, pat dry with a paper towel, then cut about 3 deep incisions in the fish, just to help the fish to cook deep inside, and also to help our pepper stew to penetrate inside and season the fish. So after I made the incisions, I set the fish aside. So that's everything you need to know about how I cleaned my tilapia fishes. So the next ingredient we need here is our pepper stew. So I'll take you back to how I made this pepper stew. So to do this, you need bell peppers, you need hot pepper, either habanero or scotch bonnet, and you need some onions. Then add some water and blend it coarsely. After blending the pepper and the onion mixture, add some oil to a pan. When it heats up, pour in the coarsely blended pepper mixture and fry until it becomes dry, or for about 5 to 7 minutes. Also add your seasonings like seasoning powder or cubes, add thyme, add salt to taste. So that was how I made the pepper sauce. Here I have some rosemary, I have salt, and I have some seasoning powder. So those are just extra because I want this fish to be well seasoned. Okay, so I just added about 1 tablespoon of oil inside it. I mixed it together, then I applied it on the fishes. Okay, I just wanted the fish to be very tasty, and I don't want to add a lot of seasonings to the pepper sauce. So I decided to just use this one to coat the fish properly before I then coat it with my pepper mixture. So now what I did was to use the pepper sauce to coat the whole of the fish. I also made sure I packed some inside the head of the fish, just for the inside of this fish to also have its own flavor, its own taste from the sauce. So that was the reason I packed some of those pepper sauce inside the head of the fishes. Another thing you have to make sure if you are doing this is make sure that you coat this whole fish properly with this pepper stew. Okay, coat all the nooks and crannies of this fish with this pepper sauce. Don't even leave anywhere. Okay, don't leave any stone unturned. Just make sure that this fish and the pepper stew are marrying themselves. They are touching body. Okay. Another thing I did was to reserve some of the pepper sauce to be used later. Okay, so this is also optional. After that, grill in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or using your grill low setting. Now our fish is back after about 30 minutes in the oven. So I just went again a second time with the pepper sauce. This is optional, but I just love doing it this way because I like the stew. I like the pepper stew, so I just like to have a fresh taste of it in the fish. So after applying it all over again, just put it back in the oven and let it stay for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the fish should be ready. This step is also optional, but I just love doing it. So guys, with this we've come to the end of this video because our fish is ready. Business done finish. Okay. I served this fish with my shrimp fried rice. Please look out for this recipe because it will be coming up on this channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching till this very point. Please, if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know in the comment section what you like about this my grilled tilapia fish, and I will see you in my next one. Have a nice day. Bye.